Hello everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques Restoration. Today in the workshop we're having a lot of fun. I say we because I have a little guest with me, my daughter Madeline back there. We decided we're gonna have some mucho fun on a new project. My daughter, who is 7 years old, has been asking for a vanity for a while now. She wants kind of like a vanity desk, somewhere she can study, somewhere where she can play with makeup. So check out this awesome piece that I found the other day, $50, yeah! And it comes with a mirror, a tri-mirror that folds out. It comes with a bench, and it comes with like these beautiful drawers. The center drawer is really cool. It's got a key, it actually locks. And why am I wearing this silly getup? So, if you are a parent, a mother, a father, and you have little girls and you watch Disney, you must know about the franchise called The Descendants. And I gotta say, I kind of like the movies. I love the music. My daughter knows I love the music. I'm always singing it. So anyways, Descendants 3 just came out, and we decided, or I should say my daughter decided, when I asked her, how do you want me to paint this vanity for you? She said, can you do it like the Descendants colors? And I said, okay, I think I can do that. So what I have on my head, there's a character, her name is Uma. She's the daughter of Ursula, if you ever watched the movie The Little Mermaid. And so she's a pirate, and she's like an evil character. So I have my fun little Uma hat on. We got our banner in the background. Madeline has tons of Descendants clothing. She's got her t-shirt on. And who's the headband? Evie. And Evie's the daughter of who again?
Evil Queen.
The evil Sleeping Beauty?
Evil Queen.
Oh, the Evil Queen. I can't keep these all straight. So that's why we're eating apples, because these characters that are behind us there on the banner, they always say they're rotten to the core. So yeah, we're being cheesy here. So we have apples and we're eating them. So we are going to get started on this fun project. So I'm going to take you through our steps. So the first thing that I've already done is last night I glued all the loose ornate pieces on this vanity. There were quite a few that needed to be resecured. I'm going to reposition my camera. I'm going to go over the colors that we're going to do and the steps that I take when I'm refinishing a piece of furniture. So come along with us as we transform this piece. It's going to be magical, let me tell you. So come along, let's go. Okay, I'm going to show you guys, there's my daughter Madeline. Woohoo! She's going to show you all the colors we're going to use. I'm going to give you a close-up here of this amazing vanity that we got. It also came with a custom glass top. I love how the handles are at a diagonal. That's very cool. I mean, you can see the detail work is just all around this piece, along with the bench and the mirror. So the first thing that we need to do before we get started, like I said, I already glued everything. Then we're gonna need to clean it down. Madeline, can you hold up the product?
Oh,
this
yeah,
is called a Crud Cutter. I use this on all my projects. So I will be spraying this whole entire piece down and cleaning it with a paper towel. It just gets all the dirt and grime from all the years off the piece. Then what we're going to use is the primer. That's right here, Maddie. Oh. This is by Wise Owl. I love this stuff. It is a white primer, so it's going to help our paint stick to the piece of furniture. Madeline, let's show them our main color that we're going to use on the paint stick right there. It's this one. It's a really pretty, like emerald green turquoise color. And what I love about this paint, this is the 1 Hour Enamel paint by Wise Owl. I used this on a few projects back. If you go back through my YouTube channel, you'll see me using this product for the first time. I did a complete review of the 1 Hour Wise Owl paint. It's phenomenal paint. So we're gonna use that and paint the entire shell of the vanity that color. And then the middle drawer, we decided we're going to do a red color. And Madeline, what's that one called?
It does not say.
It's on the bottom. It'll tell you the name.
No, it doesn't.
Can you read what that says?
Showstopper.
Yeah, that's right. Showstopper.
Okay.
So that's Showstopper. That's the red color. This is by HGTV Home, Sherwin Williams. So we have that for our middle drawer. Madeline, can you show them what we're going to do? The top two drawers here And here we're gonna do a purple color. And what's the name of that shade?
Impulsive purple.
Impulsive purple. I'm kind of liking that. So that's that color there. And then we are going to do a blue color on these two bottom drawers.
Yep.
And what's the color blue?
Salty dog.
Salty dog. That's a funny name for a pink color. And then we're going to use the black.
Yep.
And we're going to probably do that along the perimeter of the mirror here, the trim. And what's that shade called?
Caviar.
Very good, caviar. Do you know what caviar is?
No, I don't.
Fish eggs.
Oh, okay.
People eat it.
Alright, that makes
Ritzy
sense.
folks eat it. Would you eat it?
No.
I wouldn't either. I've never tried it. And then once we're done painting it, we're going to add some really beautiful accent gold around all this pretty trim. So as you can see from the poster here, those are the colors that this gang of Descendants wears in the movie. So we're pretty excited to transform this vanity. Oh, and we need to get new fabric, don't we, Maddie?
Yes.
For the chair. So we'll be running to my favorite store, Hobby Lobby, to get some Descendant style fabric, right?
Yep.
All right, you gonna help me clean this piece? That's the
Yes.
first thing we need to
Yeah.
do. Are you excited?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
You don't seem very excited.
What are you talking about?
She's excited. Biscuit, are you excited? Okay, we will show you how we do this.